What? A waste of my talents.
Stand away, citizen! For the glory of Am!
Oh, you have returned, and so soon.
You bunch of chumps! What the hell do you think you was doing?
Stand and deliver, that my hamster might have a better look at you.
Make it quick. No sooner said than done.
You're a queer fellow. What you want?
Yes, of course.
Go no further. I require the services of your group.
Yes, they will do nicely.
What? No sooner said than done.
Hey! Hey!
Make it quick, of course. Yes, a waste of my talents.
You have been waylaid by enemies.
Again, you, my actions are yours.
What? Of course.
Nature's servant awaits.
Make it quick. A waste of my talents.
Why me?
Yes? Yes? Of course. Of course.
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the
If I
eyes!
must.
Run!
To you!
What? Of course.
What is it now?
Make it quick. Of course.
Again, you disturb me.
Yes? No sooner said than done. Of course. A waste of my talents.
What do you want?
You are so
Don't bother me.
You point, I
Go
mark.
pester someone else.
What? A waste of my talents. Make it, of course.
Your worthless lives end here.
Yes.
For the group.
Yes? No sooner said than done.
You have been waylaid by enemies and must defend yourself.
What? Of course. No sooner said than done.
Me now. Me a stop. You go nowhere. This our bridge. You pay to walk it.
Your worthless lives
Go
end
for the
here.
eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Rusk!
Your worthless lives end here.
Make it quick. Yes, a waste of my talents.
You've a task?
What? Of course.
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Rusk!
To you all!
Your worthless lives end here. Again, you disturb me.
Make it quick. No sooner said than done. Yes?
You are so irritating.
What? A waste of my talents.
Your worthless lives end here. Your worthless lives
quick.
end here.
For the fallen!
What is it now?
Yes?
disturb me.
Go for the eyes, fool! Go for the eyes! Rusk!
If I must.
Make course.
Go for the eyes, fool!
Nature
Go
as
for
you
the eyes! Rusk!
Your worthless lives end. What is it now?
Yes?
Again you disturb me.
What?
I am surely close to
You are
death.
so irritating.
Make it quick. Course. Yes?
Sure.
Let's talk more fight.
What?
Cool one, son.
Make it no sooner said than done. Yes?
Yes, as you wish.
What? No sooner said than
Decency is
done.
refreshing. So many we meet are lacking.
What? Of course.
Decency is refreshing. So many we meet are lacking.
What? A waste
Decency
of
is
my
refreshing.
talents.
So many we meet are lacking. They're called?
What?
Cool. Squeaky wheel gets the kick.
Make it a waste of my talents.
Again you disturb me.
Nature as you direct.
Yes, I.
Yeah, of course.
Thy decency is refreshing. So many we meet are lacking.
What?
Deine Hand! No! You will be avenged!
Make it quick, of course.
You are so irritating.
Yes? No sooner said than done.
What is it now?
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes!
What? No sooner said than done.
Again, if I must.
Make it... I am surely... Yes? A waste of my talents.
You are, if I must.
What? No sooner said than done.
Why me?
Yes, oh omnipresent.
Make it quick.
What is it now?
Yes, of course.
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes!
Again, you disturb me.
What? No sooner said than done.
You've a task?
Make it quick.
You do not dream often, but tonight the visions are vivid indeed. Long have you walked, but now you find yourself back amidst the stones of Candlekeep. Your former home looms before you, but the gate is closed and barred. Over the walls there is a candle in your old room, but as the light goes out, the brick surrounding the window closes together. The very walls conspire to keep you at bay. A familiar voice startles you. Though it is calm and caring, you cannot go back this way, child. You must go on. Gorion forms before you. Though his image should be comforting, it seems but a shade of his living self. He is dead in your dreams, as in life. The phantom of your foster father gestures toward the blackness of the wood, as though it should be inviting. Perhaps it is, in a way, but the traveling will be hard. As you think this, a smooth and obvious path becomes clear out of the corner of your eye. It seems meant for you, pulls at your very being, and promises to quickly lead you away from the life you once led. Perhaps this would be for the best, but it is a bit too convenient for your liking. You do not wish to dwell upon the loss you have endured, but neither should it be forgotten. Gorion smiles and fades away. The pull becomes a push, but you turn away, steadfast in your new direction. The way is not quite as clear, but it is sure to be interesting nonetheless. A whisper follows as you stride away, something vestigial and sinister that you recognize, but yet have never heard. You will learn. You don't look back.
Yes?
Nature. Servant awaits.
What? A waste of my talent.
Your worthless lives end here.
I need an arrow.
Make it quick. No sooner said than done.
As directed, for now.
Yes? What? No sooner said than done.
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Run!
Yes, oh.
Make it quick.
What is it? As directed, for now.
Yes? A waste of my talents.
You've attacked? Good as done.
Again you disturb me.
What? Make it quick. A waste of my talents. Yes? Of course. A waste of my talents.
Death to you! Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Run!
A waste of my talents. What? Of course. Make it quick. A waste of my talents. Yes? No sooner said than done. Of course.
What do you want?
What? Make it quick. Yes? What? No sooner said than done. A waste of my talents. Of course.
You point, I punch. Less talk, more fight.
I don't want to talk.
Make it quick, of course.
Your worthless lives end here.
You are so irritating.
Death to you all! Yes? A waste of my talents.
You have been waylaid by enemies and must defend yourself.
Death to you all!
What is if I must?
What? Of course.
Go pester someone else.
Make it quick, of course. A waste of my talents.
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Rusk!
Yes, friend?
Why me?
Nature for the group.
Again you disturb me.
Yes? What?
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes!
Of course.
Rusk!
Yes, friend?
I will crush!
Make it quick. A waste of my talents.
All right.
Yes? Death to you all!
You are so irritating.
What? A waste of my talents. Of course.
What is it now?
Cool!
Yes,
Make it quick.
omnipresent authority figure.
Your face!
Yes?
Your worthless lives end here.
You butt kicking for goodness!
What?
Your worthless lives end here. Again you disturb me.
Less talk, more fight.
Make it quick.
For the fallen!
I need cool blood. I need aid soon, lest my hamster become...
I fear I need healing, lest I not survive.
Go pester someone.
Yes?
I fear I need healing, lest I not... You've uttered good as
I
done.
need aid soon, lest my hamster become...
What? Of course.
I will crush!
Make it no sooner said than done. Yeah, a waste of my talents.
Cool! Squeaky wheel
Again you
gets
disturb
the
me.
kick!
What?
Your worthless lives and you are my actions are yours.
You boys butt kicking for good!
My actions are yours.
I don't want to talk.
Make it quick. Yes?
For the fallen!
Again if I must.
Go pester someone else.
What? A waste of my talents.
Forward march!
You are so irritating.
Make it quick.
Death to you all!
I need an ale.
What is it now? As directed, for now.
What?
I don't want to talk.
Make it quick.
just as
Yes?
someone else.
Yes? Aye. What? No sooner said than done. Make it no sooner said than done.
You have been waylaid by enemies and must defend yourself.
This isn't worth dying over.
Nature's servant awaits.
Again, my actions are yours.
What? Make it a waste of my talents. No sooner said than done. What do you need?
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Rusk! Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Rusk!
Yes?
Your worthless lives end here.
Of course. Yes? Oh, what? What do you want? Make it cool. No sooner said than done.
I don't want...
Go
Yeah,
for the
no
eyes,
sooner
Boo!
said than
Go
done.
for the eyes! Rusk!
What?
Don't buy. On the Scarlet. I'll have to find another group.
A waste of my talents. What do you need?
Your worthless lives end here.
Cool gold plate and packing steel.
What? Death to you
Brains,
all!
I do not feel so well. Again, my actions are yours.
Make it quick. No sooner said than done.
Nature's servant awaits.
Yes? No sooner said than done.
Your worthless lives end here. You are as directed, for now.
What?
What? My actions are yours.
Yes? Make it quick. Yes? Of course.
Go for the eyes, fool!
What?
Go for the eyes!
Death to you all! Of course.
Again you disturb me.
Make it quick. Yes? What? Of course.
Your worthless lives end here.
You are so irritating.
Make it quick. Yes?
What? As directed, for now.
I don't want to talk.
What? Of course. Make it quick.
What do you want? Don't bother me.
Yes? A waste of my talents.
You have been waylaid by enemies and must defend
Of course.
yourself.
Again you disturb me.
Death to you all! What? Make it quick. A waste of my talents. No sooner said than done.
My muse shall not speak to such as thee. I'm always ready to entertain. I'm always ready to entertain. Watch as I make myself. I'm always ready to entertain.
Me will crush you. Crush you to goo. Go for the eyes.
Yeah, no sooner said than done.
Me will crush you.
You need a new tailor. Your clothes are absolutely dreadful.
What? No sooner said than done. Make it quick. A waste of my talents. Of course.
Glad to meet you, friend.
Leave us alone, will you? Nothing for you here.
So irritating.
You point, I punch.
Yes? What? No sooner said than done.
Yes, friend?
Make it quick.
Less talk, more fight. Full plate and packing steel.
What? Make it quick. Yes? What? A waste of my talent. No sooner said than done.
Yes, oh omnipresent authority, please.
Way, good sir. Over here.
Move, one.
Make it, of course.